Hello students, I am Arun Pandey. Today I am going to discuss class 6 subject science chapter 1, and the name of the chapter will be Science Around You. But this is part 3. In part 3 we are going to discuss some eminent scientists, but what we going to learn inside some eminent scientist. Inside some eminent scientist, we are going to understand, we are going to describe about Indian scientist, that means scientist from India and scientist from other countries. So we are going to describe according to names and their contribution and for what they famous for, all the scientists. So first of all, I am going to take name of Jagdish Chandra Bose. What I taking name? Jagdish Chandra Bose. So Jagdish Chandra Bose was born in 1858. Jagdish Chandra Bose was born in 1858 and he studied radio waves. What he studied? Radio waves and sensitivity in plants. That means he studied radio waves and sensitivity in plants. That means how sensitive plants, for which things plant are sensitive. And second, we are going to take name of C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman is also a scientist that from India, are called Indian scientist. So C.V. Raman was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize for physics in 1930 for his discovery of the Raman effect, which explains certain behaviors of light. So I am going to discuss secondly C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman was the first Indian scientist who received the Nobel Prize in 1930. For what? They received Nobel Prize in 1930. They received Nobel Prize in 1930 for his discovery of Raman effect, which explain certain behavior of light. They explain some behavior of light. After that, S.N. Bose is also a scientist. He studied teeny particles called elementary particles. That means S.N. Bose studied elementary particles, and the term boson in physics he derived from his name, because their name is S.N. Bose. And another particle that we call boson or give name on the name of a scientist S.N. Bose. Then he worked with Einstein to develop Bose-Einstein statics. Bose-Einstein statics is a rule, and that rule was explained, was discovered by the continuous effort of two scientists, S.N. Bose and Albert Einstein. And next will be Aman Saha. This is also Indian scientist. So a physicist, what? Aman Saha, a physicist, developed the famous Saha equation. Aman Saha is a scientist who developed the Saha equation, which relates the temperature of stars. That means Saha equation relates temperature of stars to the kind of light and other rays they emit. That means kind of light and rays emitted by the stars also studied in their Saha equation. After that, we are going to discuss, we are telling you about some Indian scientists, their contribution, how they got their Nobel Prize, and after that we are going to discuss scientists from other countries. So scientists from other countries, just as a Archimedes. Archimedes, a Greek physicist and mathematician. That means scientist Archimedes, a Greek physicist and mathematician also. He know mathematics also, he know physics also, and describe the law of floating and sinking. That means Archimedes tell and describe the law of how materials, how object will be float on the surface of water and how object will be sink when go in the contact of surface of water. These things are described by scientists from other country, that are Archimedes. After that, scientists from other countries will be Galileo Galilei. What I'm telling name? What I'm calling name? That is Galileo Galilei, Italian astronomer. Galileo Galilei or Italian astronomer was the first to use the telescope to study the sun and planet. So Galileo Galilei, Italian astronomer and scientist also, first of all used telescope to study the sun and planets. He also discovered the principle of pendulum clocks. There is another things, that the principle of pendulum clocks you will study in further chapters. So Galileo Galilei or the Italian astronomer was the first to use the telescope to study the sun and planets. Sun also and planet also. He also discovered the principle of pendulum clocks. That means how pendulum clocks work and discovered by the scientist Galileo Galilei. And the next will be Isaac Newton, an English physicist and mathematics. Isaac Newton was also, he know physics and he know mathematics also, and discovered the laws of motion and the law of gravitation. Law of motion also and law of gravitation also. He demonstrated the splitting of white light into 7 colors. That means white light was coming from the sun, and scientist Isaac Newton explained that how white light can be splitted in their constituent color, that is called Vibgyor. We study again. So Michael Faraday, he is also scientist from other countries. So Michael Faraday, an English scientist and physicist, discovered the relationship between electricity and magnetism. He described in front of the world that how electricity and magnetism are relates with each other. They describe that. So till now I am explaining you some eminent scientists. So inside some eminent scientists we are discussing, we are telling you, describing you how Indian scientists, how scientists from other countries make their contribution and make their discoveries also, how they famous for. So I think that all of you students understand very well, and if any problem about any topic, about the name of any scientist you can't understood in this video, so contact on my WhatsApp number and I will confirm you. So thanks.